Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be showing you how to bedazzle whatever you want to call this, fucking rhinestone your Air Force Ones like this. So that is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. This was a lot of fun doing this. I really enjoyed it. Let's get a close up. So I think I saw shoes like this, I think on Instagram or something. I was like, I have to get these shoes. Then they were going for like $200, $250, and I was like, nah. I'm not paying that much money when I can literally do it myself. So that is what I did, and I shared it with you guys. And let me tell you how hard it was to find Air Force Ones in all white. It was fucking struggle, let me tell you. I went to the mall like before work. I went to 6 different stores and everyone was sold out. I don't know why. I think it's because it's back to school. No one had Air Force Ones at all. So I had to order these bitches online. I got express shipping because I wasn't going to wait. But it was a struggle to get these Air Force Ones. So yeah, let's get right into the video and show you how I rhinestone my Air Force Ones. So I already did one shoe, but this is what they look like. Super shiny. So got my shoe here, obviously, and then I got a bunch of Swarovski crystals right here. I got 28 and 38. I picked these up at Michael's. I got 6 of these little guys, and then I got 6 of these. I thought it'd be better to have extra than not enough. And then to stick on the crystals, E6000 glue. And then I got these little wax tip things to pick up the gems with. Looks like this. Alrighty, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start at the tail right back here. This glue gets everywhere. I'm just gonna place some down, just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take the 38s. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pick one up with the little tool. I'm gonna place them down. And since I already did one shoe, I got my practice in. So it's not taking me as long, but the first shoe probably took about 45 minutes to an hour to do, just because I wanted the placement of the crystals to be perfect. Now I am doing this really fast, but I recommend to take your time. So I'm basically just placing the crystals down on the glue and then moving them around with the back of the wax tip stick. Okay, so as you can see, I am doing 3. And then what I like to do to make sure they're even is I push them in like so. Looks like that. Okay, so when I get to here where there's this seam, I'm going to move to the 28s, which are bigger. Going to add some glue. So I'm gonna put a little one on the edge. The little one's on the edge, and then a big one right in the middle. Like that, because that fits just perfectly. And then we're going to do the same thing again for the next row. Just like that. And then continue on. So now, before we get to this fat chunk, I'm gonna take these smaller diamonds and go around this right here. Okay, so now that I went around the rest, we're going to fill it in. I'm going to start right up here. And I'm going to take a little one and put it right at the tip because a big one would not fit there whatsoever. And I'm also going to take two more little ones to kind of make like a triangle right there. Squeeze them in. Now I'm just gonna fill in the rest with glue. I'm gonna continue with the small ones up top. Really make sure they're snug. Now I'm going to take the big ones. I'm going to turn this a little bit better so you guys can see. Just placing them. Okay, and now we have the finished product. Super cute. So I would recommend letting this dry overnight. Definitely overnight. Just to make sure it's 100% secured. So yes, I will see you guys in the outro. Alright, y'all. How'd you like the video? Something very different from my channel and what I have been showing. But these things are sick. Look. Oh, so I am literally obsessed. And I can't wait to wear these to the Chris Brown concert that I'm going to in Chicago. So excited because I love shit that sparkles. Especially rhinestones. Love it. But yes, thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, please subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, give it a thumbs up and subscribe right there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.